Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandey.
So as we all know that SP Balasubramanian sir, he just passed away yesterday only.
Yes, and it is a big loss of
Loss
the
for
industry.
industry.
He was a
Very
famous, talented
playback
singer,
singer.
playback singer. We all know that he has sang for millions of songs for
Yeah, I
movies,
think
a lot of
he
movies,
sang
and
for all over the
all
India,
over India.
different
Yeah,
different parts of the
parts.
country also, like for Bollywood and also
Uh,
Telugu
Telugu
industry or
industry.
Kollywood or Tamil industry. I
He
think
is
he
very
has
versatile.
yes,
His voice is very, he is very much suitable with romantic singing, as far
yes,
as I know, because I, have grown up listening to his song.
yes,
And his famous song, like for me, was that song हम आपके है कौन.
yes.
वो मूवी का सारा सॉन्ग इन्होंने ही गाए थे, एंड इट वॉज मार्वेलस. मेरे चाइल्डहुड के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेबल है,
Yes,
बिकॉज दैट सॉन्ग.
and also let's talk more about after giving the reaction on this particular
Yeah.
video.
We'll be
That will
giving,
be good, right?
we'll be giving much more, reactions according to the childhood memories. Everything we'll be talking about
Yes,
after the reaction. Okay, so let's get started with. And today's video is a tribute to legendary singer SP
yes.
Balasubramaniam sir. Seriously, our heart fills with grief, and we
Yes.
don't know like what more we will be
Because he
seeing in
made
this
our childhood days also very memorable.
year.
So
Yeah,
yeah,
so back to back bad things are keep on happening, so this is a very big loss.
and also
But
2020 year. This is
that is
totally
what,
what we can say.
actually
Everybody can understand. It's a very bad year for
demon year.
everybody. Yeah.
So let's get started with today's video, and together, we will be seeing the video. We'll be like remembering SP Balasubramaniam sir with you
Yes.
all. So let's get started. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
He's a very funny and set also.
He's super duper talented person.
Mm. Totally emotional, heart-touching songs. Just feeling the song inside.
It's a true talent.
This song also is making people cry.
He started crying. That much he is into the song. He's like
Yes.
leaving the song. This is the talent, man. grip of the voice is outstanding. The grip, super.
என் காதலே என் காதலே என்னை என்ன செய்ய போகிறாய் நான் ஓவியன் என்று தெரிந்தும்
At this age also his voice is so much soothing.
Full of melody.
Yeah. I think that is a great loss for our music industry.
Yeah.
He
So
was so
I
much
am
talented.
feeling very bad because I have grown up listening to his song, and that's what I was telling in the
Most
at
of
the
the
beginning
people,
of the
you can say,
video.
of 90s, you can
90s
say.
song, and that Ghana is very much touching to my heart because my mom used to sing that song with for me when I was very small, and that वो song था मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली. That song
was
that is
awesome,
actually Subramaniam sir's song.
And he still
Okay, and
that,
that was
song
very
is so
much
popular.
very popular. And from that time only I got to I asked my mother that who is the singer. I didn't know much about that because I was very small, and I just started gaining interest in singing in this cultural things and all. So my mom told that this is SP Balasubramaniam sir. And I was like, wow, that
His
was
voice is
outstanding.
Actually, his control over the song and language and the words is
And
marvelous.
Hindi also was
Every language,
outstanding
yeah.
because being a South Indian, we know that that is a little bit difficult for them to pronounce Hindi in a proper way, but he was super proper.
Yes.
Okay, at that time also, and he is super multi-talented person. I think he has gotten a lot of awards.
Yeah.
We all have seen in the that time कोई भी award show होता था ना तो वो
Mostly he
उनको
used to
मिलता
get, yes,
मिलता
for
ही था.
his
He used to
song,
get
yes.
for his song for singing, क्योंकि ये सब songs बहुत अच्छा एकदम मतलब
Of course, it
super
generally
duper hit
touches,
songs
it
है.
touches our hearts also.
हाँ,
And
90s
also
songs.
It make us feel so much good or so much emotional with his songs. Like in 90s, whatever the song you were saying for हम आपके हैं
हम आपके हैं
कौन.
कौन.
So that movie and each, I think most of the song he only sang in
He
that
only
movie.
sang it. He is the
Yes.
lead singer
Right.
there. Okay, not only हम आपके है कौन, there are a lot of movies. I think माधुरी दीक्षित का कोई भी मूवी आप देख लो SP बालासुब्रमण्यम सर का था.
Yes.
ठीक है. So it is kind of like जुगलबंदी माधुरी दीक्षित और SP बालासुब्रमण्यम सर का. We thought of giving reaction on particularly that song, but yes, we are running out of time. That is why this tribute only we are giving.
Yeah.
But definitely it is numberless. It
Yes,
is
of course,
numberless. His
numberless.
songs, everything is numberless. So it is a huge loss.
Somewhere I was reading also, he sang more than 40,000 songs.
हाँ. He was,
That's
that's
that
true.
much talent he's
That much
having
talent.
that he can cover so much song in a single day only. 4-5 song he used to sing.
Yes. So this is a very very huge loss for India entirely, because people can learn a lot more things from him, because he is a legendary singer though. That is why I'm telling. But I think very soon he has passed away, right? It is not the timing that he has passed away. Young
Actually-
generation should learn a lot of things from him, but
2020 is bad year, so we
Very,
can't,
very bad,
restrain
very
from
bad.
anything happening in this year.
बट हाँ वो हमेशा जिंदा रहेंगे अपने वो सॉन्ग में
With his songs,
with
a
his
lot
songs.
of beautiful songs.
Beautiful songs, romantic songs, emotional songs. Here also
Yeah.
we saw that how he is leaving the song. This is very important. Okay, having talents is not a matter of
Right.
it is
And also-
मतलब talented हो सकते हैं लोग,
Yes,
ठीक
and
है,
also
but
the talent, that kind of it will make cry with his words.
हाँ his words, his
Expression.
feeling, everybody was crying, everybody was numb that time.
Their neck was, throat was filled with
Filled
grief.
with grief, yeah.
Yes.
So that's what I'm telling, that he's super talented, there is no doubt about this, but he is having like some other power, I think, like मतलब जो होता है ना जैसे लता मंगेशकर जी का है, वो तो टैलेंटेड है ही, बट उनके वो एक पावर वुमन है, मतलब शी इज आउटस्टैंडिंग, शी इज द वंडर. ओके, लाइक दैट ओनली SP बालासुब्रमण्यम सर, ही वाज अ वंडर एक्चुअली.
He's that kind of
These
legend.
names will be always there in the golden words. Okay,
And also,
I think I can express whatever
that
I'm
kind of
feeling. Yeah.
I think he is such a great talent that at this age also his songs is so much beautiful and soothing to hear. So we have seen in this particular video only at this age he's singing
At
such
this
a
age
beautiful
also he has
and
that grip.
on his voice.
That is
Like
outstanding. Outstanding.
our Lata Mangeshkar ma'am
Karji,
also, she is also great. Now also if she sings, she has a
They are
great
god
control.
actually. They are god. Actually,
Yes.
Lata Mangeshkar ji is a god actually, and S.P. Balasubramaniam sir also is a god of singing. Okay, so we are extremely proud that this kind of talents are there in India, and we got to hear their melodious voice, their song. Okay, so we are extremely proud of that, and this is a huge loss. So every time, like we always say this thing that. Like what to see in this year we don't know, but yes, everybody should be safe, and just be safe and healthy. That is what we can pray to God.
Alright.
Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video, and now there's the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Thamil Arasan, and he is writing his comment on Mind Voice of Thanaigal reaction, and he is saying, recently I see videos so awesome.
Thank
so
you.
I think thank you for that, and
Thank you
recently,
for stepping by.
Yes,
And
and watch all our videos. I think you'll really love it.
Yes, definitely. So we always post, different kind of
Yes.
contents like movie clips, trailers, then this kind of comedy videos, emotional contents, everything. Okay, so
Yeah.
new talents also we showcase on our channel. That is a big thing, I think. So yes, please keep supporting us and watch our videos, and
And
definitely
please
will
do subscribe our
subscribe
channel,
also as
please.
well. Okay, thank you so much. So the second comment for today's video is from Kuts Insultation Balamurugan, and he's commenting on Mind Voice Suthanaigal video, and he's commenting you're Tamil or English. We are not Tamil, we are not English also.
Yes, we are Indian, and
Oh,
mostly we
are
used to give our reaction.
we are
in
Hindi.
English.
Hindi hai hum.
Yes.
Hindi na. So actually what happened
We are
is
from the
people
north, you can say,
Yeah, we are North Indian. Why they are asking I know, because there is no subtitle, so they are thinking that how we are understanding.
yes.
Actually in the original video there is subtitle, but in the video you are not able to see that subtitles wala portion actually.
Right.
So yes, without subtitles we don't understand any South Indian languages, but yes, we understand English. Okay, that is why
And
we
also, these all videos, it is having a lot of expressions also, so you will be able to
by
figure
that
it out,
also we
yes.
can understand. And Mike said videos are awesome, always we tell that, and yes, we are very liking this kind of comedy, kind of touchy wala video. So yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yeah.
So the third comment for today's video is from AK Post, and he's commenting on SP Balasubramanian sir ka post
Post we
डाले
have
थे.
given, yes.
So he's commenting polite person, soulful singer, good human. The loss of this man is truly unacceptable for all of us.
Yes,
And that is very true. This is
Right.
actually totally unacceptable. And
And this was not his age to pass away. Right?
to pass away actually. He's a very very soulful and very down to earth person, which is very important to have, I think, this quality
Yes,
in
and also,
any human being,
also young
apart
generation,
from talent
they
also.
have to learn a lot of the things
Yes,
from him.
they can have learned a lot of things, but it happened very soon. This is not unacceptable at all. So we are also feeling very bad, very unhappy today, but what to do? This is the rule of the nature. Okay, so sometimes it is very bad, but yeah, still. So yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.